A show on Sony television that is Shark Tank is becoming increasingly popular these days और काफी सारे लोग हैं वो काफी interested हैं about knowing the super judges of the show. And today we'll be discussing about Piyush Bansal sir. So he is one of the most popular judges of Shark Tank. Talking about Piyush Bansal, he is co-founder of Lenskart, and the amazing thing is that he founded his company at the age of 25, which is quite inspirational. So उनकी starting education was from Delhi, and from there only he get the inspiration to become a businessman. And for later on for his bachelor's he went to McGill University जहाँ पे उन्होंने IT Control and Automation branch में अपनी bachelor's complete की. After that he joined Microsoft, the tech giant Microsoft in 2007 और वहाँ पे he started working and later on he was going to be a program manager. At that point he realized that he is not made for sitting in front of computers the whole day. उनको कुछ ऐसा करना था that will create an impact and that will do something revolutionary, right? So then he went to IIM Bangalore to pursue his postgraduate in entrepreneurship and he tried starting his luck in all the things he always wanted to be in. After that he observed that in the IVR industry it's very informal and unorganized, and later we know the result, that is the big huge success of Lenskart. But before launching Lenskart and having a big hit in the market, he has his some few failures, and one thing that kept Piyush going on is his ability to faith in himself, right? And now we can see the result that he launched Lenskart in 2010 and he's having 4,000 plus employees right now, and that is really great success. And one thing that kept Lenskart apart from Titans IVR and all his competitors was his user experience and robotics. Piyush Bansal is an entrepreneur who gives importance to the impact that he is creating. And similarly, everyone wants to create that impact, and so we are at Tutored Academy. So we are helping out students to get placed in their dream company with the help of our mentors who are from Google, Amazon, Microsoft and top-notch product-based companies. Here at Tutored Academy, we provide professional courses to the professionals who are working in the company to get switched. Tutored Academy is an edtech startup founded by alumni of NIT Trichy, which offers professional courses in the field of software development, data science, machine learning that you can run parallel with your job. So if you want to come out of your comfort zone and be more productive in your career, you can join Tutored Academy and reach where you want to reach.